Hi, I'm Daria, co-founder of Sellscreen, and today we're gonna talk about the product search in the KSA. KSA is actually very attractive and exciting market, as well as very gated, so there are not many sellers there. But this is actually a very good thing for those who selling in the KSA. The second thing is actually I think there are very little number of data for this market. So this video, I guess, could be very valuable for you, especially you just want to start. First of all, what's the difference between KSA in the UAE? As you know, in the KSA the population is 40 million people, and in the UAE it's only around 11 million people. So it's basically 4 times different. But the question is that marketplaces such as Amazon and Noon are higher 4 times? It's actually not. So let's check the Noon KSA data. First of all, we're gonna go to the categories and check the data for categories. As you see here, this is May, which is not the highest month of the year, and the revenue is around 400 million SAR per whole Noon. This is our rough estimate, but our client saying that the margin of errors for our tool is around 10 to 15%, so I think you can rely on this data. What we can see here, the products per month is almost 4 million sales. The number of products there is 3.5 million products. So how many sellers is actually selling in the KSA? It's only 6.4 thousand stores. So let's check the very similar data for the Noon UAE. The revenue is only 200 million dirhams, but the number of stores is more than 9,000. So as you see, competition is higher, but market is less. So I really being big advocate on becoming the seller in the Noon KSA. So let's check what is the main categories for this marketplace. Of course, it's electronics and mobiles, it's kitchen and home, beauty and health, fashion, tools and home improvement. As you can see, for example, kitchen is very wealthy category on this marketplace. So the revenue for the home and kitchen is actually more than 80 million Saudi Riyal. So I guess this is the really good numbers. As you can see, the split between categories is actually quite the same. What else we can check? We can check, let's say, in kitchen and dining, what the revenue is actually around 8 million Saudi Riyal, and it's different to Amazon UAE, because in the Amazon UAE the same category is only 4 million dirhams. So I guess this is really good numbers. So let's check what the main brands in this category. It's actually a generic brand which has 25%. And this is amazing news. The market is not dominated by big players. You can see here Noon East as well, but the sales is only 9%, which is amazing. So let's check what kind of generic products are selling here in this category. So for this category, we can see here different kind of products, and amazing thing that the products have really good results. For example, can you imagine that kind of hand deep teapot black, the price of 30 Riyal, which is not that cheap to be honest, is generating 45,000 per month. And this one, rotary grate vegetable cutter, it's generating almost 40,000 Riyals. So I think it's really good numbers for generic products, because for UAE you can see the numbers is actually lower. What else we can do with our tool? You can choose all the generic products, all the generic brands that are selling there, and as you can see, that kind of vanity scene, bathroom vanity scene, is generating more than 2 million Riyal, Saudi Riyal per month, which is amazing. And you also can see here like different products with really great sales over 1 million Riyal. Can you imagine 1 million on only one product? And this is actually a real opportunity that you need to grab. So what I suggest you to do, make proper product search in the Saudi Arabia, make your plan how to actually start to sell there, and just start it. I think the amazing opportunity is right here. the country is new and newly open, opportunities newly open for you, so you need to do it if you're focused on Middle East. Another thing what I suggest you to do is learn about what customer preferences are, and to do that we're gonna check quick commerce platform called Snana, which is kind of leader in own segment, and we're gonna see what kind of products are there and at what price they are selling. So we open in Nana. The best seller is actually fresh eggs that generate in 137,000 SAR per month. The price of the 20 SAR, which is, I would say, not that cheap. Even for the UAE, it's not cheap. Here is also the chicken breast fillet, which generated 87,000. You can see here again like fresh eggs, etc. But what always amazed me about their customer preferences of customers in this Saudi Arabia is that they are very, very family oriented, home oriented, and they actually like to buy a lot of products in bulk and a lot of products with higher weight. For example, you can see here the rice 10 kilos with the price of 54 SAR, generating 75,000 per month, which I would say really amazing. And see, you can see there's a lot of rice, there is a full ice cream with weight of 2.25 kilo, which also performing extremely well. So I guess to really understand what you need to sell, first thing, I guess you need to follow the simple steps on product search. You can check our videos how to do proper product search with Sellscreen.io. You need to focus on data. You don't need to focus on your imagination, or like you may actually focus on your imagination in your experience if you have experience with the customers from Saudi Arabia. But if you don't, please focus on data and make a proper product search. So I hope this video was interesting for you. You gain a lot of insights on how to launch your business in Saudi Arabia. Use promo code to use Sellscreen for free. And if this video was valuable for you, please put the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I wish you have a great sales. Bye.